Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or restrict music videos on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Content Restrictions, and then we put in the screen time passcode. Now in here, you want to go down and tap on Music Videos. In here, you can choose Off to restrict music videos, or you can select On to allow music videos. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.